Standard 6th Subject Social Science, Chapter number 16, Part 2. Today we are going to learn about Taluka Panchayat. In Part 1, we have learned about Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. The formation of Taluka Panchayat is very important. Taluka Panchayat is at the second level after Gram Panchayat in local self-government. The number of seats of Taluka Panchayat are decided according to the ratio of population. There are minimum 16 and maximum 32 elected members in Taluka Panchayat. These are the number of members which are necessary in formation of Taluka Panchayat. 50% seats are reserved for women. That means if there are 16 members, then out of that 8 will be women. Voters of these seats elect the members of Taluka Panchayat. President and Vice President of Taluka Panchayat are selected by the elected member on the basis of majority. As well as from those elected members, Executive Committee, Social Justice Committee, etc. are formed. In this way, the members of Taluka Panchayat are elected and forms different committees to work for it, and they also elects the president and vice president for it. Work or administration of Taluka Panchayat. The head of Taluka Panchayat is called Taluka Development Officer, TDO, Taluka Development Officer. State government appoints him or her. He gets the resolution of Taluka Panchayat implemented. TDO works on and supervises the work of Taluka Panchayat and work according to the rules abided by the government. He supervises all the employees of Taluka Panchayat. They prepare annual budget of Taluka Panchayat. In this way, TDO and their employees work for the various committees and elected peoples. Functions of Taluka Panchayat or works of Taluka Panchayat. To provide health and hygiene services, roads and other health facilities are given by the Taluka Panchayat. Cleanliness facility is given by Taluka Panchayat. To control epidemic. Epidemic means infection or viruses. They also have to control these types of infection and viruses which are present in the air. To construct village roads and maintain them. To establish and manage primary school. Nowadays, each and every village, taluka and city has compulsorily government primary schools. Taluka Panchayat will work to manage this primary school. To plan to improve the agriculture at the taluka level. To provide assistance for women welfare, youth activities and social development. Many activities are held under Taluka Panchayat. To provide help at the time of flood, fire and other emergencies. Taluka Panchayat get fund for all these activities from the government, and it is the main function of Taluka Panchayat is to use this resource for the upliftment and development of the people. Tirth Gram Yojana, this is a scheme given by the government. Was implemented on 21st July in the year 2004-05 in Gujarat. State government allocates grant to selected villages for this scheme, in which no crime should have happened in the village for last 5 years. The selected villages have the following provisions where they can get various grants from the government. Production and selling and consumption of narcotic drugs should not be done in this village. Cleanliness should be maintained. There should be high rate of girl education and low rate of dropouts. Apart from this, Tirthagram is chosen on the basis of other criteria. The village who can fulfill all these requirements will get funds from the government for the development of their village. Second yojana is Pavan Gram Yojana. No crime should be happened in last 3 years in this type of village. Government choose such villages and allocate grant up to rupees 1 lakh to the village. In this way, Taluka court, Taluka Panchayat works for the development of the village or the taluka. After Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat, the third level of local self-government is District Panchayat, which works for the one district. District Panchayat is the topmost level of three-dimensional Panchayati Raj. The formation of this Panchayat is minimum 32 and maximum 52 members in District Panchayat. Number of seats are decided according to the population of the district. 50% seats are reserved for the women. The voters of the constitution elect their members. President and vice president are elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Different committees like executive committee, social committee, justice committee, education committee, construction committee, health committee, etc. are formed within the help of elected members. Tenure means time period. The time period of district panchayat is of 5 years. After 5 years, election will be held again. The work of district panchayat, the administrative head of district panchayat is called DDO, District Development Officer. He or she is appointed by the state government. District panchayat integrates and implements the scheme of the state government. The work of district panchayat is to control the activities of Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat and help them to supervise the activities of Gram Panchayat and Taluka Panchayat. Manage and control the revenue, that means income, education, cooperation, irrigation, animal husbandry and agriculture at district level. District Health Officer, District Primary Education Officer, District Agriculture Officer, District Social Welfare Officer and Deputy Executive Engineers are in charge of District Panchayat, which works for the different committees of the District Panchayat. For example, District Primary Education Officer will work in Education Committee. District Health Officer will work in Health Committee. Agriculture Officer will work for Agriculture or Irrigation Committee. In this way, different officers will work for different committees and for the development of the district. In next part, we will learn about the Social Justice Committee and Urban Administration, that is Municipality and Municipality Corporation. Till then, you have to write the questions related to Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and District Panchayat in your workbook.